Mercury Mount, which is related to business, communication skills, and most important role that it plays in our life in terms of success. Whether you have a very good communication skills in terms of business, whether you will be successful in terms of business or not, the Mercury Mount and the Mercury vertical lines signifies and gives the clarity. So I am going to discuss about the vertical lines in the mount of Mercury, whether it should be single, double or triple or more than 4 or 5 vertical lines, what is the significance and how it gives the benefit to you. I am going to discuss in this video. Om Ganeshaya Namah, Om Bhagavan Shishati Sabhavaya Namah, Om Suryaya Namah, Om Shanishwaraya Namah. Viewers, welcome to my YouTube family. My name is Hospital Dr. Sai Subhajit. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then I would request you to subscribe it, like the videos and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get the future notification of my videos. Now, as I was talking and as I am talking in this video regarding the vertical lines in the mount of Mercury, what is the significance? How it can enhance and boost the strength to your business and give you a more success. Whether you will be a successful business person or not, and whether your communication will determine that or not, I am going to discuss about these vertical lines in details. So please stay till the end of the video so that you get the clear picture of what this sign means. I particularly also have this vertical line in my hand and I also can relate to my business and also success. So you can also relate this vertical line related to your business and to your characteristics. First of all, you must know this is the Mercury Mount and this is the little finger, which is also called a Mercury finger, which is called the Buddha Rekha, Buddha Mount. This is called the Buddha Mount, which is the Mercury Mount. Now, as I have told that the vertical lines, right? So these vertical lines can be like this. So whenever there is a single vertical line, that is very auspicious. Now, whether you have a single vertical line or double vertical line or 3 vertical lines, it has the similar benefit. But if you have 1, 2 or 3, then it's okay. But it should not be more than 3. I'll tell you why it should not be more than 3 and what is the disadvantage. Suppose you have a single or double or triple vertical line like this. Then first of all, you must be very sure that you have something inside you, some power to heal people. Generally, this type of vertical lines are always seen in the hands of doctors, surgeons, nurse or any people who is related to spirituality, who has the ability to heal people. First of all, this is one way. Suppose if anyone is in terms of medical science, then this line should be there, then he will have more power to cure people. Okay, so this is the first thing that you have to consider. Now, as I have told that it is related to business, then how it is going to give you benefit? You have to check whether your Mercury Mount is prominent or not first. Second, the length of the Mercury finger. This is the Mercury finger and you should see the length of, so that you always get the characteristics, whether you will have the confidence and has the decision making power or not. This is the second thing. Third, the 3 vertical lines means that you must have a very good communication and impressive quality to convince people in a positive way and to deal with such a circumstances to overcome any types of problems in the life. You have the ability to get over any issues and get the success. Now, suppose you are facing some issues in your life in terms of money problem or running the business. So at that time, at that point of time, you must face, okay, you are not confident enough to run the business successfully and to achieve to a higher height, right? Now, you might be confused, okay, why I am telling so many things. You have to understand very clearly that if you have this line, then you first of all, you should be very much sure that you have the capability and ability to overcome any types of problems in the life in terms of business. You have the ability to be a very good entrepreneur. You have the ability to be a successful business person in the world. Now, if this line is so common and if this line is so much beneficial, then most of the people might have this, right? You might think then why they are not successful or may not have a successful in terms of wealthy. Now you have to check the amount of Mercury, whether it is prominent or not. If the amount is prominent, then of course you will get a very good benefit. Now if this line is there, that means that you will be so much creative and have a very good logical sense of dealing with things, dealing with people. You have a very good leadership and managerial skill to run and to make the situation okay in terms of a group organization. You have the ability to be a very good marketing person, salesperson. So these are the qualities that a vertical line says. Now another thing is that you have to see that this line should not be cut with any other lines, means should not be having any defects. Then only you will be successful. And also you must be very sure that if you are doing any types of business, then you must be master in that subject, and you will be able to lead that success to a next level. So that is for sure. But if you have more than 3 lines like this, then what happens? First of all, it makes the health weak. You might have a health issue related to your liver and stomach. So that is one thing that is little negative when you have more than 3 lines. But of course, if you have more than 3 lines also, then also my above explanation, the explanation that I have told till now, also have the same characteristics and matches with you. So these are the things that you have to remember, and please comment in my inbox and let me know what are the lines and how many lines you have, and I must be very much sure, and I am very much sure that you must have this type of lines, and definitely you will be doing very good social service also if you have this type of lines. You must also have a very big friend circle, that is also possible. So these are the things that I want to discuss regarding the Mercury mount vertical line. So in my next video you will be able to find why and how the star gives the success and the double triangle in the mount of Mercury. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then I would request you to subscribe it, and if you want to have paid consultation from me, then you are always welcome to contact me. Contact details are given in the description box. Stay happy, stay fit. Thank you.